Alam niyo, ang palagi nating sinasabi ay buksan, isara, o kaya patayin mo ang ilaw, aircon, o ventilador, or whatever household appliance you have, which literally translates to open, close, the lights, aircon, ventilador. Correct ba ito? Well, this is grammatically incorrect. You cannot physically open/close the lights, the aircon, or the ventilador. Pwede siguro sa ref kasi may pintuan siya, as in, i-close mo yung ref. Sayang ang kuryente kung nakabukas yan. Diba? Pero yun nga, nakasanayan na nating sabihing buksan mo ang ilaw, but actually, ang tamang term ay switch on or switch off or turn on or turn off the lights, the AC. It's a bit horrifying to hear when someone says, patayin mo yung TV. Ang ingay. When we mean turn off the TV. Pero bakit sinasabi nating buksan ang TV when we mean to turn on the TV? Di ba dapat buhayin ang TV?
Oh my God.
Kasi pinatay mo eh.
Oh.